Alright YouTube, so this is the mini air compressor that you have seen before. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it and gonna see what's inside of it. So let's do it. Alright, so this is it. This is the motor, the 12-volt motor, and here this is a gear, and this is the compressor that compress the air, and that goes through this pipe to this nozzle here. This thing is metal and this is plastic, and this pipe, this is also plastic with this gear, and this wheels, this all are what to say, heavy metal. Okay, let's open this thing. So there is a spring here and a rubber cap at the bottom. It stays here. This thing pushes the air, I think. So that's it. That's what's inside of this mini air compressor, and hope you're gonna like the video. So hit the like button like this, and subscribe to my channel, and share it with all your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.